Hey, let me show you how you can fix connection problems with the Redmi Buds 8 Lite. So first of all, if you cannot connect this earbuds into your phone, TV or PC, I can recommend you to perform a reset. So you have to place both earbuds inside the charging case, you have to open this cover, and next you will have to rotate this case and you have to click and hold this small button over here with your finger or fingernail. And now it will start blinking like that quickly, but we have to keep holding and wait until this light slows down and blinks 2 times. Now it will start blinking quickly one more time, and this is the time when we have to release. Now what we did, it was actually the reset, the hard reset. You have to close this case, and on your devices, you have to make sure that you turn off Bluetooth just for a few seconds. Now we have to grab the case, open it, and now it should start blinking automatically. If it is not blinking automatically, then you have to click and hold this button one more time for 2 seconds and wait until it blinks. Now keep that case open. Turn on Bluetooth on your device, and you have to search for the available devices list. As you can see in my case, it's over here, so I can try to connect them. Wait for this, be patient, and I'm successfully connected. But if it is still not working for some reason, you can try to perform a reset of the mobile network settings. So on your device, you have to search for a reset phrase, and you have to search for the reset network settings. It looks the same when you have the iPhone. So on the iPhone, you have to also search for a reset, and you can find this in the reset all settings. Now go for the reset, and here we can find a reset network settings, the same like on the Android device. So click to reset network settings, and what it does, it's gonna reset your Bluetooth, mobile data, and Wi-Fi. There's no any other way, but in some smartphones, I believe it was in the Samsung, we can only reset the Bluetooth. So we can try to do this. And after this reset, you will have to just turn off your phone. Yeah, just like this, and you will have to just reboot your phone. So restart, then turn it on back and try to connect one more time. And that's actually everything. This is all tips that I can give you. If it is still not working, then I will highly recommend you to try to connect these earbuds with other devices. So if it is not working with my Android phone, I will try to connect them with my iPhone. If I can connect them with my iPhone, then it means that something is wrong with my Android phone. So maybe you will have to perform a hard reset. I know that you will lost all of your data. Of course, you can back them up. But if you really care about this one, if you really care about connection with this specific device that is not working, then the hard reset is working often. And this is everything, all tips that I can give you. Let me know if it works, and please hit the like button.